Hi, and welcome to It's a Wow. You'll see makeup transformations and tutorials with tricks to make your eyes look bigger, look prettier, look younger from makeup brands like Clinique, Natasha Denona, Maybelline, Urban Decay, and many more. It's a wow. Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks come in all of the nude shades, pinks, and reds, browns that you love. But if you want blue, here it is. There's faded teal, indigo blue. This transformation is awesome. When Urban Decay launched the Naked Eyeshadow Palette in 2010, some would say they revolutionized the industry. Unfortunately, it was discontinued in 2018. You can now get the Naked Reloaded Eyeshadow Palette with new shades. How gorgeous is this? Incredible is touted as the new affordable makeup range from Thea Green, the founder of Nails Incorporated. The Incredible You Glow Girl is an iridescent jelly that you can apply to your eyes, brow line, cheeks, lips. Just take a look. It's a wow. With colors like Nocturnal and Requiem, Anastasia Beverly Hills' selection of blue lipsticks are amazing. The Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask is great for all skin types, normal, oily skin combination, and dry. It also has the Sephora Clean Seal, meaning it's not made with certain ingredients like mineral oil, parabens, and other ingredients you don't want on your skin. It's a wow. This is an awesome makeup compilation tutorial for all different types of lip looks. Especially love the red lip liner look with the blurred edges. It's a wow, take a look. This contouring technique is called mapping the face. You use a foundation shade 2 shades darker than your skin tone to deepen the areas you want to recede and a lighter shade to bring out the areas you want to highlight. Afterwards, you blend, set, highlight, and it's a wow. If you want to rock the natural look, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Great for experts or beginners. It features glowing skin and long eyelashes. Take a look. Using black liquid eyeliner to shape the eye can make your eyes look bigger, younger, prettier. If you have naturally upturned eyes, try using a thin line in a little wing. For downturned eyes or almond, start the liner towards the inner part of your eye with a thinner line going thicker as you come to the outer corner to make the perfect cat eye. Just like in this tutorial, it's a wow. BoxyCharm is part of a growing number of subscription beauty boxes. They send you 5 full-size beauty items for their subscribers, or what they're called charmers, every month. Other beauty subscription services are FabFitFun, Glossybox, Birchbox, Play, Ipsy. This tutorial features BoxyCharm and it is just beautiful.